Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia Z5 Premium, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, we can either hold the power key, or let's see if we have a toggle right here. It looks like we don't have a toggle right here, but yeah, like I said, we can hold power key, and in here you have screen recorder. Once you tap on it, let's select agree and allow. Click on the circle right here. And there we go. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. That includes applications as well. And once you're done recording, you can interact with this, as you can see, and then select the red square, which will save the recording. Now that recording gets saved into your album, and there it is. So anyway, this is how you record your screen, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.